Hi everyone. Welcome back to Radical Tech Mart. Today, we are talking about a very special model from Vyka, the S11 pressure transmitter. It's designed specifically for hygienic, viscous, and clog-prone applications like food, pharma, dairy, and chemical industries. If you've ever faced issues with pressure sensors getting jammed due to thick media, this transmitter is your solution. The Vyka S11 is part of the same S-series family but with one major difference. It comes with a flush diaphragm design. This means the pressure sensing surface is completely flat, with no cavity where material can settle or block the sensor. It's built entirely from stainless steel, making it resistant to corrosion, cleaning chemicals, and process media. It provides a 4 to 20 mA 2-wire output, and is available in standard ranges like 0 to 10 bar, 0 to 25 bar, and 0 to 100 bar, depending on your process requirement. Let's understand why this design is so important. In industries like food, pharma, paint, or adhesive production, materials are thick and sticky. Traditional transmitters have a small pressure port where these materials can clog, creating false readings. But the S11's flat diaphragm eliminates that problem. Pressure is transmitted directly to the sensing element without trapping any residue. It's also much easier to clean, sterilize, and maintain, making it perfect for CIP and SIP cleaning systems. The working principle remains the same as the S10. It uses a thin film strain gauge sensor behind the diaphragm. When pressure acts on the flush diaphragm, it slightly deflects, causing resistance change in the sensor. That change is converted into a linear 4 to 20 mA signal proportional to the applied pressure. This ensures consistent accuracy even in processes involving viscous fluids or frequent cleaning cycles. Here are the key highlights of the S11 series. Flush stainless steel diaphragm prevents clogging. Pressure ranges from 0 to 1 bar up to 0 to 100 bar. Accuracy up to ± 0.25% of span. Output 4 to 20 mA 2-wire system. Operating temperature 40 degrees Celsius to +100 degrees Celsius. Protection IP65, IP67 based on connector type. Fully compatible with food, pharma, and chemical media. This combination of hygienic design and industrial strength makes the S11 truly versatile. You'll commonly find the Vyka S11 in food processing and beverage plants, pharmaceutical and biotech production, chemical dosing and mixing systems, paints, inks, and adhesives manufacturing, water and wastewater treatment plants with sludge media. Basically, wherever media is thick, sticky, or prone to clog sensors, the S11 performs flawlessly. To summarize, the Vyka S11 pressure transmitter is your go-to solution for hygienic and viscous applications. Flush diaphragm, easy cleaning, reliable 4 to 20 mA signal and long service life. If you are in the food, pharma, or chemical industry and want a transmitter that's accurate, clean, and maintenance-free, the Vyka S11 is the one to choose. For genuine products, ready stock, and expert support, visit radicaltechmart.com or contact our team today.